Hey guys, alright, this is part 2 to our product review. These are AUX2s. Whoops. These are AUX2s, LED brake light bulbs. Now this is the one I had installed. This is from JD or J. Gosh darn it. JD Master, I think, or A-Star, JD Aster, or something like that, however you say their name. These are really bright. Probably going to put these in my mom's car, actually. These are the new ones. These actually flash 11 times. There's some Chinese stuff on there, so I'm assuming they're Chinese, but there's all the stuff you need to know if you want to email them or check out their website or what's going on. Let's check these out. Alright, so when you get the package, this is what they come in. They're kind of similar to that. They do have more LEDs to the end of this. These flash, when you hit your brakes, they flash to alert people that you are stopping. And they are legal to use. Motorcycles have them, I've noticed. So let's get these hooked up and see what they look like. You're just going to push them into your factory socket. As you can see, they do flash. They're flashing. I do have my hazards on. These are very cool. Let's get it installed. And there's what it looks like inside the housing. Now tonight will be the big showcase. Find out how bright this is compared to what I have already in here. Now I technically have strobe lights at the back of my truck, red ones. I'm going to turn the running part light off. See how bright they are then. A lot brighter actually when the running light's not on. Oh yeah. Looks pretty cool. I'm excited to see these at night. Well, there they are, both installed, and you can see them flashing away. Can't wait to see these at night, how they're flashing. I'll have to try to get someone to step on the brake for me so you can see how the brake light part works. Let's see what it looks like, just the running part, to see how bright they are during the day. For some reason it looks like they're flashing, but they're not. I'm going to try to back up here into the shade and see if I can let you guys see them a little bit better. Well, there they are. Running light with the brake lights. That'd be how it'd be. It'd be brake and then go to steady burn. Be a little bit brighter though. I like them. Those look pretty freaking cool. Not gonna lie. Mixing in with the rest of my warning lights. That is just simply my hazards. They just flash with my hazards. I can prove to you. So there's the front of my hazards. It'd be kind of cool if you get these for the front, but I don't know why you'd need them. I need to get different bulbs for the, I want to get the JD Astar ones or whatever you call it for the back. So, yep. I like those. So we'll catch you guys tonight for the night part and see how bright these dudes are. Alright, well, it's evening time. It's not completely dark yet, but it's getting there. So first off, we're going to show the running light part. Well, that's the brake light. Okay, it flickers. Shut it. Do it again. That's just quite a long time before they stop. Go ahead again. Pretty bright. All right. All right, now we got the running lights going, and this is what that looks like whenever the brakes get pushed, whenever the running lights are on. Pretty cool. That's the hazards now for the reverse, or for the rear. That's the turn signal on that side. That's the turn signal on that side. That flashes. So, pretty cool. Anyway, I'll put the link to these down in the description, along with the LED headlight bulbs that I got yesterday if you want to check them out. And we will catch you in the next one. Big shout out to Nathan Clark over there for helping me out. Well, in conclusion, I highly recommend this company, and I highly recommend this bulb. Very cool. Very cool looking effect for your hazard lights now. And they're really bright. I will be dealing with this company again. Very, very bright bulbs, very durable, very bright when they flash. Very, very nice. I'll try to eventually down the road get some video of this, someone driving behind me and showing you how it looks from someone behind you, but from a different vehicle stance. But anyway, that's that. Have a good one, guys. I enjoyed making this video. AUXITO, appreciate you sending me the product, and looking forward to working with you again. Thanks a lot, and have a good one, guys.